This drone is making a buzz across Europe. With this technology, risky industrial inspections can become safer and more cost-effective.
It's the first of its kind because of its sensitive telescopic arm. Designed by Seville's Centre for Advanced Aerospace Technologies, the semi-autonomous drone can carry instruments and push them against structures to check their integrity.
With these ultrasonic instruments, we can measure the thickness of the pipe. As you can see, we can also detect defects or corrosion. These sensors need to remain in contact with the pipe to give us this kind of information.
Developed within an EU research project, this technology is aimed at the commercial market. So far, countless pipelines at industrial facilities have to be inspected manually, in particular in the oil and gas sector. It's a slow, expensive and dangerous work.
This drone will allow us to carry out these tasks at a lower cost, saving a typical refinery €700,000 a year. The inspections will be conducted 10 times faster and without height-related work accidents.
This project was selected among the 20 finalists of this year's Innovation Radar Prize, a European Commission initiative to identify EU-funded innovations with high market potential. At the final in Budapest, all 20 teams pitched their proposals to the expert panel.
We are looking to partner with potential biotech or hardware specialists.
We see a great potential for financial success.
This is a market opportunity of 2.5 billion euros.
We are in close contact with potential clients and end users. We aim to create business from our unique technology.
So it's very important that taxpayers know that their money is actually very productive, that it leads to innovation, it leads to products. It's one thing to have a brilliant idea in the lab, but as we all know, it's another thing to bring it forward so that it can get into the market. And it's this combination that we're looking for when we award the prize. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to announce the overall winner. It's Catec Industrial Drones.
They were convincing. So we didn't focus about the fact that it was a drone. We were focusing about the fact that they were answering a market need. And they could demonstrate that they could save money and they could save lives and make it faster. So I think that was the reason why we end up by choosing them.
The prize puts the technology in the spotlight. When the research project is finished, the developers want private investors to help turn their prototype into a commercial project.
The market is very large. It's €600 million per year just in Europe, and the number of accidents is about 5,000.